In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links to your Squarespace website. This is a great way to enhance your site's connectivity and ensure your visitors can easily find and follow you on different social media platforms. So let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to Squarespace. If you're new to Squarespace, it's a platform that offers an array of beautiful templates and user-friendly tools to help you create a stunning website. Once you're on their homepage, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. For those who haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to sign up and create your website following Squarespace's simple setup process. Next, once you are logged in, locate the website option from the main menu. Clicking on this will take you to your site where you'll be able to edit the content. Click on the Edit button to begin making changes to your site's layout and features. This is where you can truly customize your website to fit your brand's aesthetic and functionality needs. Now, with your website in edit mode, place your attention on adding new components. You will notice a little option to Add Block within the section you wish to modify or enhance. Simply click this button. You'll see a selection of elements that you can add to your web page. Here, you'll want to select Social Links from the options available. This feature is extremely useful as it allows you to display clickable icons for various social media platforms directly on your website. Once you have selected social links, click Edit. You are now ready to integrate your social media profiles. Click Add Social Link to begin entering each of your social media handles. A tip here is to ensure that each social media account you link to is up to date and accurately represents your brand or personal profile. This helps maintain consistency across all your digital platforms and ensure a strong online presence. After you've added all desired social links, take a moment to review them and make sure they are correctly linked. Poorly functioning links can confuse visitors or even create a negative impression, so it's crucial to double-check everything. And with that, you're essentially done. You've added social links to your Squarespace website, seamlessly blending the layout with functional connectivity. Remember, keeping your social links prominently displayed helps foster a community connection, ultimately driving further engagement with your audience. So you might want to consider how these links fit into your overall web page design. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing the social media presence of your website. Be sure to tune in for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital platforms.